With interest rates at an all-time low and affordability at an all-time best, this is a great time to buy a home. To buy a home, if you need to take a home loan, the point that comes to your mind would probably be, should I go for a single home loan or a joint home loan? What I'm going to do here is to highlight a few benefits of taking a joint home loan. First and the foremost, it increases your loan eligibility. So if co-applicant's income is added together, the amount of loan that the bank will disburse in your name will be higher. So definitely with higher loan eligibility, you'll be able to buy a better home and at a better location in a better complex maybe. And considering that home is like a one-time investment for many of us, it's important that you take the right decision and have the most available corpus towards it. Secondly, the co-applicants can claim tax deductions individually. So under the Income Tax Act, you have deductions and under Section 80C as well as Section 24, wherein your principal repayment and the interest component is non-taxable. So you'll individually co-applicants can avail tax deductions. Thirdly, in the repayment, also you can share loan repayments, right? So if a husband and a wife has taken 50-50% as co-applicant, you both can pay 50% each of home loan repayment. So it does not burden a particular individual. Last and not the least, if there's a woman co-borrower, then a lot of financiers as well as banks would give a better home loan rate. So home loan rate of a 50 basis points lesser or 100 basis points lesser than what it's ongoing is common if you are a co-borrower and a woman. So all in all, there are a lot of advantages of taking a joint home loan, and one should definitely consider this option before making the choice and sealing the deal for a home of your own choice. Thank you.